Hello friend, welcome to Side Scanner YouTube channel. This video discuss about by 9 electric states available now or in the near future. So let's start my video. Because everyone knows an state is infinitely cooler than us SUV MG5. Leading the charge on the electric state front was the MG5, the first such car available on this shores and still a best seller for the farm. It's been here so long that M5 treated the model to a mid-life facelift in 2022 and much improved it was to where its predecessor was a radar blank looking thing. The current 5 is a completely different prospect entirely with its sharp face LED lights front and rear and SUV cabin. There's now also vehicle to load capability enabling you to power anything from a coil box to a coffee machine. Prices start at 30,995 euro for the base Epic SE trim and the top spec trophy trim cost 33,495 euro with every model also getting a 7-year warranty. If you can avoid the beige snobbery, there's much to like. Click here to read the review. Porsche Taycan Cross Turismo. The Porsche Taycan Cross Turismo is the most complete fast state available today. We concluded in our full review and that pretty much sums up all you need to know. Compared to the regular Taycan, it sides a little higher. There's more rear headroom, and you get a slightly big gear boot. There's more to come to because in early 2024, Porsche announced a significant update to its electric flagship with improved power range and charging times. Hack the Turbo S version will now do 0.62 mph in just 2.5 seconds. Can anything stop it? Click here to read the review. You might like. Here's every 7 seat plus EV available now in the near future. Here are 9 electric hot hatches from the past, present, and future. Here are 15 electric pickups you need to know about what the internet really thinks about the Jaguar Type 00. Porsche Taycan Sport Turismo. Got your eye on the Porsche Taycan Cross Turismo, but want slightly less of the Audi Lord treatment. The Taycan Sport Turismo, which sees the ride height slightly lowered and the plastic today cladding priced of cold be your answer. Post facelift, you now get an 89 kWh battery in the entry levels of Sport Turismo will 402 bhp electric motor drives the rear wheels for a 0.62 mph time to of 4.8 second and a range of 352 miles on a single charge. There's 270 kW DC rapid charging to want more speed. The Turbo S now has a bonkers 939 bhp and reduce 0.62 mph in 2.4 seconds, but the proper drivers Sport Turismo may be the mid-range GTS. Click here to read the review. Peugeot E308 SV SW. Peugeot design team are on a roll of late, and the third generation 308 and 308 SW are no exception. Originally available with petrol and diesel engines only, Peugeot has since rolled out hybrid and fully electric powertrains to boot the hatchback and state result. The E308 SW, short for the FYI, gets a 154 bhp Electric motor mated to a 54 kWh battery for up 254 miles of range and a best class efficiency of 4.93 miles per kW. It claims with 100 kW fast charging, allowing for a 20.80 per percent top up in 25 minutes. If you want, you can find a plug capable of these speeds. Inside, you get Peugeot smart looking AI cockpit will boot capacity is 548 liters with the rear seats up and 1574 liters up to the roof with the rear seats down. Probably the best all around you can currently buy at the affordable and of the market was the verdict in overview. Click here to read the full review. Vauxhall Extra electric sports tourer. We are big of fans of the Vauxhall Astra electric grade. Looks decent to drive and low running cost, so a longer, more spacious, bigger booted variant as was AI was going to appeal to our better nature too. And low meet the Vauxhall Astra electric sports tourer don't crawl off the Tongu quite so easily due it still it shares the same 154 bhp electric motor 54 kWh battery 254 ish mile range as the Peugeot E308 SW yep plenty to of Stellantis cross platform sharing going on here but gets a slightly more mature suit. It gets a slightly smaller boot compared to the Peugeot thought with 516 liter seats up and 1553 seats down is a little bit plain too. Click here to read the review. Audi A6 e-tron event. When the A6 e-tron concept broke cover cover back in April 2021, we were suitably impressed but also secretly crossing our fingers and toes hoping for an event version. States are both better looking and far more practical than salons of course. A year later, Audi revealed the A6 Avant e-tron concept suitably futuristic without being OTT. Thankfully, the production car looks remarkably similar to that original design. It's based on the new PPE platform that's shared with Porsche, and you can even have an S6 Avant with 543 bhp. Read the full review here. BMW IG Touring. At the BMW Group's annual conference in March 2023, boss Oliver Zips confirmed what we know about straight cars for years. The BMW 5 Series Touring is very popular, he said. From spring 2024, it will also come in an all-electric version, giving us a truly unique selling point in this segment. And he was true to his word. The BMW is Touring is available in two iterations. The entry level i5 e-drive 40 rear wheel drive for 335 bhp 295 IBFT, which offers up to 348 miles of range from its 81 kWh battery pack and the range topping i5 M60 all-wheel drive 593 bhp 586 IBFT capable of the 0.62 mph sprint in 3.9 seconds but slightly reduced 314 miles range from its identical sized battery. BMW tells us for all models gets the same 570 per 1700 liter seats up down booth Prices start from 96,945 euros. Click here for the full review. Volkswagen ID.7 Tourer. Back in 2019, Volkswagen previewed its ID.Space Vision concept, a stylish, futuristic, fantastic-looking, fully electric stayed at the Los Angeles Motor Show. Before it all event, have a very quite a little too quiet for or linking. Then in early 2023, VW revealed its ID.7 Salon, which you can ready read about by clicking this blue words before confirming that an straight tourer version would allow a year later it finally arrived Hora, and now you can have in it all wheel drive GTX from well 335 bhp and 0.62 mph time of 5.57 second. Click here to for the full ID.7 review. Audi RS6 e-tron. If there's one thing better than an S6 e-tron, it's an RS6 e-tron. Will details are few and far between at times of writing that and stopped us dreaming. We do at least have some clues on the design with Audi design boss Mark Leach telling TG the RS6 will have a wider rack and bigger wheels to set it apart from the A6 e-tron. Nothing out of the ordinary there. The current combustion engaged RS6 is engaged looking to date. Expect the upcoming electric RS6 to smash the SAS6 e-tron 0.62 mph time of 3.9 seconds supercar per for performance in a practical package nice. Click here to find out more. तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ आपसे अगली वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए बाय।